Good morning, it's Rob MacArthur from the CBD Curators. Today I want to talk a little bit about why CBD is not regulated by the FDA or approved by the FDA. The answer is that in 2018, hemp was made legal through the 2018 Farm Act, December of 2018, which means prior to that, it was regulated under the Controlled Substances Act, the CSA. And that meant that hemp was regulated by the Department of Drug Enforcement Agency, the DEA. So now that hemp is, quote, legal, the answer is, what is it? The FDA is then now tasked with trying to figure out how to regulate CBD. Is CBD a drug? If it's a drug, then it has to go through drug trials, which require lots and lots of money, lots of academic testing, drug companies, trials, stage 3, stage 1, stage 2, etc. That's going to take 5 to 10 years. If it's a dietary supplement, then there's an exclusion. So things like echinacea are going to fall under the exclusionary rule. But the FDA has come out and said that that's not the case, that CBD cannot call itself a dietary supplement. And so you're going to see some labels that say CBD as a dietary supplement, and then people have started to take that off the labels. So that's confusing. So is it a food? If it's a food, then it needs no regulation whatsoever. But if it does things, quote unquote, if it provides some sort of efficacy to cure something, then it's probably a drug. So the FDA doesn't know what to do with hemp because it's not a chemical formula, it's a plant. So the interesting thing to me as well is that the U.S. Department of Agriculture, a different federal agency, is tasked with issuing certified organic. Certified organic is typically reserved for a food. So CBD, you will see a lot of labels, a lot of companies are going for USDA certified organic certification. And so in a backhanded way, the FDA is basically saying, we don't know what it is, but the Department of Agriculture is saying, well, we think it's kind of a food because we're certifying the production of CBD as certified organic. So I find that kind of ironic, and the bottom line is that the drug companies probably do not want CBD to be legal because they feel like their business could be threatened, and I think it's likely, if you want to be a little bit of a conspiracy theorist, that the FDA is influenced by the drug companies. So if I had to guess, there's going to be a concerted effort by the drug companies to ban CBD because they're afraid that it's going to cut into their antidepressant business or whatever drugs that are being replaced by CBD. I don't feel for them. Thank you.